check carry-on baggage for firearms.
I went on my first trip to Asia to celebrate one of my big bro's birthday.
We're here in Japan.
The destination, Japan.
I can't read none of the signs, but I'm having a great time. What you got to say?
Takata no baba. No. Actually, what I really got to say is,
The sheer scale, the history, the efficiency of how the city works. It hits you instantly.
So I guess this is day one. Day one in Japan, feel me? Officially.
Let me guess,
Yesterday it was just a little taste. You know what I'm saying?
But being here, I realized the stakes were a bit higher than just sightseeing. This was my first true break in a long time.
About to go do some Mario Kart. Yeah.
My goal wasn't just to experience Tokyo.
Breezing the bass and the snare just gets me, you catch me outside barely. I was out home cooking, this one I pounded them with a goosey sexy. If I'm wrong,
it was to find clarity, to pause my overworked brain, reflect on the last year, and make sure I was going back home ready to attack the next challenge. Now, we were definitely making the most of it. We ate everything, saw everything, and slept most nights well after sunrise.
It's 5 in the morning. About to make some tea. Hold on, let's make sure that.
But I wasn't reflecting. I was checking boxes. I felt this intense pressure to maximize every hour, every minute, and by day 4, I was physically present, but mentally, I was a zombie. Now, with nights like this,
spin back on a girl from last year cause she bad and it's good to recycle. So it on the climate thing, so I hit that thing for the sake of survival. Hit a big booty from SA, she looking back at me, she taking Haibo. Where I did knock up, she don't forget to get on my piano.
I knew I had to break the cycle. I found myself drawn to a Japanese practice, Shinrin Yoku, or forest bathing. Now, it's not about covering a distance per se. It's about slowing down, breathing the air, and engaging every single sense. So, on the last day, I took an hour to myself, maybe more. Left the mat behind, picked the camera up, and simply walked into the quiet. It was the hardest thing I did on the whole trip, but it was essential to my entire experience. That time in the quiet, smelling the damp soil, the taste of a fruit I've never experienced. That's when the reflection finally happened. Not while standing in the bedroom mirror, but while sitting on a simple rock. It sucks we have to schedule the pause, the deep breath, the reset. But don't just prepare yourself for the world. Create memories in it. And with this, I found the clarity I needed. Now, it's time to build.
Let's get out of the